You will keep in perfect peace those whose minds are steadfast, because they trust in you. Isaiah 26 verse 3. I used to carry anger like a heavy chain, letting it control my words, my actions, my heart. Small frustrations would ignite fires inside me, and I became a person I barely recognized, hurting others and myself. But then, something changed. The Holy Spirit gently took that anger away, not by my strength, but by His power. Bit by bit, He replaced my fear and rage with a peace that doesn't make sense to the natural mind. Peace is not just absence of conflict. It's the presence of God's calm in the storm of life. It's a supernatural gift reserved for those broken enough to surrender fully. Until we are broken by Him, our hearts remain prisons of unrest. But when we yield, peace becomes our new nature. Peace beyond understanding on Become the Sermon.